क्या आपने भी 2025 के लिए बहुत सारे गोल्स रखे थे एंड नाउ दैट 2026 इज अबाउट टू कम यू आर थिंकिंग मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं. Ditto, but I'm going to change that. You're feeling demotivated, tired and exhausted, I get you. But because you have clicked on this video, I also know that you want to change that. And I appreciate that. So I'm going to start working on everything that I committed to in 2025 and मैंने ज़्यादा consistency रखी नहीं. So in these last 55 days, I'm going to change that. Actually 70 days. Don't ask me why, because I don't want to end my stuff here. I want to take that to 2026. So let's go. You can be ahead of a lot of people even before 2026 starts, because girl, there's still 55 days left. So do it for the plot twist. There are 3 easy steps, very easy, and you're going to do it with me. So get a notebook, get a pen, and let's get started. So मेरे लिए हमेशा ये लास्ट के 2 months ही बहुत ज़्यादा productive सिद्ध होते हैं. Wow. So I'm gonna start from scratch and list out everything that I need to do before 2025 ends and things that I want to take to 2026. Step 1, guys. Step 1. Listing the goal. So I'm going to list like a lot of things that I want to do daily, starting with सूर्य नमस्कार. Actually मैं कभी 60 कर लेती हूँ, कभी 40 कर लेती हूँ, कभी 26 कर लेती हूँ, कभी 108 कर लेती हूँ, but I want to do it like daily and consistently. So I'm going to list down 40 सूर्य नमस्कार every day. Last 2 months I've not been walking a lot, so 60 minutes walk, 30 minutes half incline, I do that. 30 minutes thing that I really didn't commit to like in 2025 the way I wanted to, and वो contemporary classes. I really want to continue that, actually resume that, I hope. Then there's vocal warm-up that I do because that's very important for me as an actor. So vocal warm-up. Did I tell you I'm an actor? I am. So vocal warm-ups. Then I want to read a lot. I already read a lot, actually, those who know me personally, but I want to do like 40 pages a day. I also write fiction, I read fiction, so 40 pages a day is like little fine for me. I'm on an intermediate level. If you're just starting out, like, you can also start with 5 pages. That's completely fine. 2 will also work. So this is your sign to include reading at least whatever 4 to 5 goals you have. I have 13 actually. No sugar and processed food. This is for my health and detox purposes. I managed to keep it like in my 2025 as well. My doom scrolling habit is like really bad. I want to reduce that, so only 60 minutes of Instagram a day. Pinterest, YouTube is fine. Instagram, I really want to like reduce the amount that I spend on that particular app. As you all know, next up we have content creation. So I'm going to dedicate every day, like, you know, for scripting, maybe planning, shooting, learning something, because I've started this YouTube channel and now I'm posting consistently. Think that if you want to do something like this, आपको actually अपना time देना पड़ेगा. So I'm going to include this. Content creation start कर दिया है मैंने, and now I have to dedicate every day at least like 1 hour, 1.5 hours for this. Then scene work, again a skill, because I'm an actor and I have to do scenes every other day, auditions every other day, shoot it and maybe show it to your co-actors, casting directors for feedback. Maybe wanted to track my meals and steps. I always forget this one. So yeah, जो मैंने सोचा था कि मैं 2025 में सीख लूँगी, लेकिन मैंने स्टार्ट करी and उसके बाद वो कहीं तो घूम गई, which is my course for Indian Sign Language. I'm trying to learn Indian Sign Language, and there's Marathi lessons. I think Marathi is the toughest thing. Now that we are done with listing all the goals, now is the time. How am I going to track these goals? And how you are going to track these goals. So I got this cute notebook. Yeah, reminds me of school. So I have got this cute notebook and I decided to make a habit tracker for me, if that's visible. This is, oh, I hope it is focusing well. This is a habit tracker, and I have fed this thing that we just wrote, like these 13 goals, and I have listed it here on the front page. If that's, oh god, I'm really bad at this. So I have listed all these goals here on like the first page. And next up, yeah, it's a maths notebook, by the way, just because I wanted that, you know, squares and everything to tick mark. And now every month I am going to put a tick mark to this. Like, these are the 13 goals that we just wrote. Yes, and now according to the day, this is November 2025, and since I'm starting on 7th, just to mention, I've also done these things before also, but now I'm going to track it like religiously. So this is November 25, and now I'm going to track these things that we have just listed, based on like every day I do it or not. Also, this is like a memorable moment kind of a thing. So every day I'm just going to write one memorable moment that made my day. I kind of learned this trick from one of these reels on Instagram, which was like, I was like, for the first time ever, one hack actually touched my heart. Of course, the guy had like a very fancy notebook, but I thought कि fancy कुछ नहीं होता है, let's go back to the roots and get a school notebook. So that's exactly what I did, and you can also do this. This is like a really simple exercise. So मैंने ये जो बहुत प्यारी सी notebook ली है, अब now I'm going to track every day and I'm going to maybe update you guys as well. Maybe on shorts, maybe here somewhere I'm going to do that. And that takes us to the third step, which is take the accountability. A person, maybe pick an audience, like I'm picking you guys, and just let them know that what you're doing. You know, हम सोचते हैं कि मैं ये खुद से कर लूँगी, मैं ये खुद से कर लूँगा. But if you have like, you know, someone to report to, again a corporate structure, it feels nice. It can be your mother, it can be your cat. So let your cat know that you have done your 40 Surya Namaskar, you have walked for an hour, you had clean meals. Tell your cat if that is what accountability looks like to you. For me, it does. So I'll also be like, how am I going to take this accountability? So I'm going to record like mostly every day, and whatever I'll be doing, I'll be recording it. I'll be posting a compilation, you know, after 15-20 days. So that is how I'm going to take the accountability, and I'm going to do my shit done. At least this has to be my year. So even 2025 भी मेरा होगा and 2026 भी मेरा होगा, if that makes sense. So I am logged in for next 70 days, and जैसे ये 70 days पूरे हो जाएंगे, I am thinking, because मैंने इतनी healthy lifestyle और इतनी healthy habits build कर ली होंगी, तो मुझे मन होगा कि मैंने continue करूँगी. ये मैं guess work पे क्यों चल रही हूँ, guys? So guys, I'll be really happy if you can comment down your goals and let me know what did you write while listing your goals, because मैंने तो अपना सब बता ही दिया आप लोगों को. So this was like a really short video. Maybe next time I'll be doing a haul, because I'm ordering so much from Myntra and Nykaa that I felt like, why not like just make a haul out of it. Or maybe I have like 20-35 ideas to post, but I just procrastinate like hell. Maybe I'll start by, how is it going for me? Because I've just started YouTube. Don't you want to know my struggle? Don't you want to know that I only have 31 subscribers and I'm sitting here with like lights and camera and mic and not pretending but creating something for those 31 subscribers. And if you're watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment your goals, and let me know how you are building your 2026. Bye.